tell the difference between our intuition and perhaps the egoic mind? That that can be challenging.
Yeah. What kind of mind did you say?
The egoic ego, the
Oh, the
ego.
egoic mind. Yeah. Well, they have a totally different resonance, right? So when we are in our deep knowing, there is a subtlety that is there. It's a softness, it's an openness. Some people experience it as a warmth, but there's just, ah. And when we are in the ego mind, there is generally speaking a constriction, a grasping, a tightness. Things might be loud and shouty, distracting, sometimes fear creating. So when you get really good at discernment, and this is a very important aspect of channeling, discerning what energy, one, you want to call in, what it feels like, what you're willing to experience. And when you get good at discerning that, you can just choose, well, this feels fearful and constricted and overwhelming. No, not that. I'm going to take a break from this so that I don't add more to the energy, because we actually can get into this entire cycle with it where we add more to it, and then the voice of ego gets even more dug in, and we start to believe what the egoic thoughts are saying or creating. So the subtlety of our inner knowing, of our attunement with spirit, of our connection to our soul is what we are going for. And each time we get there, we can feel it. We can attune ourselves to be able to sense that more clearly. And then I say, celebrate the heck out of it. Because whatever, again, joy, right? Add joy to that. Wow, I just got this intuitive knowing, and I trust myself, and I'm going to move in that direction, and we'll see what unfolds. Or if you share something that you have, something intuitive with a dear close friend or family member, and it's something that resonates with them, celebrate that. Lots of celebration. It will bring about more of your connection that way. That's how we signal spirit. I like this, I don't like that.
Lovely way of explaining it. And an intuition, I guess, is soft and gentle. When you're angry and making decisions, it's probably not the intuition. Is that correct?
That's correct. That's not to say you have to ignore it either, because our emotions are great teachers and they have very important information. But don't sit down to channel when you're pissed off. That's actually the the least ideal time to do
Wrong
that.
energy.
Yeah.